Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my brothers, and how are you, my sisters? I hope you're all doing good. Well, let's talk about Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is doing and what it is like. Bitcoin is doing nothing bad here. Looks good. We have seen these two candles, this green candle and this green candle. They are the bullish candle. Last time is puri range ke andar, in this range, this whole range, we have not seen these two big candles. So these are two engulfing candles. Both are surging to the upside. The important thing. And the second important thing, that weekly close like this, which is bullish with volume is coming in. So it is another good sign. Like this kind of a candle usually is पूरे BTC की मूवमेंट में नहीं क्लोज हुई तो दैट शोज यहाँ क्लोज हुई थी but that was to the upside, but this is to the downside, so it is a very good sign. Second and the most important thing, I'm still confident the price will come here and here. These are the two important levels. Okay, this is the first resistance and then there is a second resistance now of 49k. Or what's we are witnessing here is that the good thing about it, the first thing that BTC did, and which is a very good sign, the BTC had made a new high. Now BTC has broken the previous high of 39,476. Now ये आप ये poke देख रहे हैं, ये जो candle है, this candle is enough for Bitcoin to show that I'm in business, because अभी तक अगर हम देखें, since the trend is on, the trend shows कि भाई from there इधर से लेकर higher low, higher low, and this is the higher high. So what we have to do, अब इसको trade कैसे किया जा सकता है? First thing कि we need to, BTC has to hold this one, this resistance and this support, and that is 37,380 वो. On daily basis, what do I do? मेरा टेक्निक क्या होती है, अब ये कैंडल बन रही है, I'll place my order here. अगर प्राइस इधर आती है तो I'll get a fill and then price will move up, because अब गौर से देखा जाए तो there is a 20 EMA is coming and this is 200 EMA. This is a very important EMA and I think this is at 40k. So 40k पे 200 EMA, which is pretty decent, and this EMA has something to do with this one, like this block. So I think अब जो बैटल रह गई है वो डेली क्लोज हमने इस हाई को ब्रेक करना है. वंस वी ब्रेक दिस हाई, आई थिंक इसको जब ब्रेक करेगा BTC, लाइक आई थिंक वंस इट इज़ गोइंग टू ब्रेक, सो बड़ी कैंडल्स ब्रेक करेगा, लाइक प्राइस तेज सर्ज होगी, लाइक बिकॉज यहाँ अगर देखा जाए, अगर गौर किया जाए तो एट दिस लेवल, ये लेवल जो है, दिस इज़ द लेवल BTC इज़ फाइटिंग फॉर. दिस इज द लास्ट लेवल. उसके बाद दिस इज द गैप. यूजली जो गैप होता है, या इसको इनएफिशिएंसी कहते हैं, ये बहुत जल्दी बाउंस करती है. तो जो बंदा इधर पोजीशन ले रहा है क्रिप्टो कॉइन्स में, इन जगहों पे, इन एरियाज में, दे कैन एंजॉय दिस रैली. अगर BTC 20% जाएगा, मैं BTC के ऊपर काफ़ी हैवी पोजीशन में हूँ, और ईथ में और LTC में, तो अगर BTC ऊपर जाएगा 27%, तो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं रेस्ट ऑफ द कॉइन कैसे जाएंगे. सो अनटिल अनलेस हम, इसका तरीका ये होता है, इसको ट्रेड करने के दो तरीके होते हैं. द फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट तरीका ये है कि सम टाइम BTC डिप ही नहीं देता, लेट इट गो अप एंड देन लेट इट कम डाउन एंड देन ट्रेड. बट अगर इस तरह का सिनेरियो हो, जैसे कि रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेक होने लगी है, कि एज यू कैन सी दिस अ विक केम डाउन, रीटेस्टेड दैट सपोर्ट and then it went up. So in this case what I did, जब मैंने इसको ट्रेड किया था, I have my order here. जब ये कैंडल बनी थी, जैसे कि ये कैंडल बनी है, तो मेरा ऑर्डर इस ब्लॉक पे था and I got filled and I had my stop loss below this line and I had target the highs, and I knew, because this is the first time it is going to break, so I knew I used the extension here. That's the extension I use, and I targeted 2618 or 6018. So I targeted this range. So that was an easy trade in my opinion. This was my target. So this is how I scalped that move. लेकिन अगर हमने इसको करना है, so जिस बंदे ने बाइंग करनी है, there is a probability, maybe dip ना आए, लेकिन आपने इस एरिया के ऊपर अपना इंटरेस्ट रखना है। अगर आज की कैंडल रेड बनती है, सो दिस विल बी अ न्यू एरिया ऑफ सपोर्ट, एंड इफ द नेक्स्ट कैंडल गोज अप, सो राइट नाउ orders should be here. This has to be your order, and this has to be your, and if you are trading on the 4 hour, and look at this has to be order, and this has to be your, this has to be a stop loss. Beautiful. And what do, you put लेकिन मेरी इसमें buying बहुत ज़्यादा है. This has to be your order, this has to be a stop loss, and you target the swing high, like this high, or this, even this one is even better, 46,300, and your stop loss is here, and ride the wave, my brothers. If in my opinion, if I am right here, BTC facing 200 EM and 4 hour, if I'm right here, what I think that we are building an impulse now. This is one, this is two, now we are building the third wave. The third wave is pretty aggressive in nature. It can come here is even this area, and then something like this can happen. So third wave की जो easy extension है, that's the extension 1618. The price can easily go to this level. Target 46,360 if you buy here. Easy long in my opinion. And yes, everything looks phenomenal, fantastic here. एक चीज़ मैंने आपको पहले भी शो की थी. And what did I show you? I show you this RSI. Probably अगर आपने मेरी वो वीडियो देखी हो, I've been telling you that this is the squeeze I expect. BTC is building a squeeze here. This is a squeeze. जब ये breakout होगा, I think this breakout is key now. If that breaks out, if that breakout हुआ नहीं है, it is showing resistance. If this breakout, I think it will go at least to the upside here. So उसके दरमियान में even though ये हो सकता है यूँ, और अगर इस तरह देखें, और अगर हम इसको थोड़ा सा और प्रॉपर हम इसको रिसेंट से देखें, सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स कि आपका ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है, सही है. सो प्रोबेबली ब्रेकआउट हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. what it is going to do, it is going to hit this one, this area. And where was this area? This area was at the top of that range, but it is not going to top of the range, but it is getting closer to my targets. So still my bullish bias is up. I'm still thinking BTC will go up, and that's the block that BTC is going to challenge here. Nothing fancy about it. This is the block here. I think अगर हम इस resistance को कॉपो कर लेते हैं, यानी मैं अपनी पोजीशन बहुत हैवी कर लूँ अगर BTC इस जगह को जाके ऑक्यूपाई कर लेता है. फ्रॉम देयर एक 2 वीक की कैंडल, if it closes above it, I will be extremely bullish. This is the region, this is where I think the BTC has a battle to win. This area from 45 to 48. अगर 45 to 48 से ऊपर BTC, if BTC been able to close a weekly candle above it, then bulls will come back to the market. So this area, so I am focusing on this area. इससे पहले तक मेरी जितनी भी ट्रेड्स हैं, अब आपको मैं वैसे बता दूं, I will take profit at this level. At this level I'll take most of my profits, जो मैंने वो positions कल ओपन की हैं या परसों या पिछली लास्ट वीक में, because I expect कि इस एरिया से ऊपर से इसको it will face a lot of trouble here, like it will face trouble here, come back, and then, so this is what my opinion is. But I still think कि this area is very important. ये भी हो सकता है कि it will go up and it will make another double low and then it will go up, another scenario. So right now BTC looks good, dips for buying, और घबराना नहीं है क्योंकि BTC is not doing anything wrong here. Lots of people are shorting but they don't know कि BTC wants to, BTC almost, I mean this 2 week candle is very powerful. People don't understand that. Inverted hammer. So all good here, nothing is, but just a volume has got to come in. Volume क्यों नहीं आ रहा आपको पता है? Why do you think volume is not coming in? Because the volume is waiting for Bitcoin to take out this high. उनको ये high break करना है. This is where the volume is going to come. क्योंकि यहाँ है यहाँ है वो लोग जिनके स्टॉप्स लगे हुए हैं, एंड दिस विल रैली, यही स्टॉप्स जो होंगे हमारी रैली का फ्यूल बनेंगे और ये रैली ऊपर जाएगी यहाँ तक क्विक सेशन में। तो जो इस रैली को पकड़ लेगा, ही विल मेक लॉट्स ऑफ मनी। आई होप दैट हेल्प्स माय ब्रदर्स। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।